What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Enjin coin, which has pumped up 10% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at just over the 40 cents target. So we're going to be going through, is it time to invest before it pumps up even higher, or is it too late? Is it time to sell it, take out your profits? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high or how low can this crypto go, and looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and also its prediction over the next couple of weeks, months, and so on, to look at, is it worth investing into it right now, or should you wait for it to drop back down in value? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, guys, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is up just about 0.17% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too crazy. And we've got Enjin coin as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has more or less dropped 0.3%. Over the last day, 10%, and we can clearly see most of the pump did come from this morning. Over the week, a massive 42% up, guys, are consistently going up in value over the last 7 days, which is absolutely insane. And over the month, 56%. And as we can clearly see, since the 1st of January 2023, that's when it started pumping, and it's still ongoing right now. So yeah, so far it's so good for not just Enjin coin, but most cryptos are on the positive side so far for 2023, including Bitcoin, which has finally reached $21,000 after a few months. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 223% in the last 24 hours, making it $118 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Enjin coin. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, especially that it's been pumping quite a lot over the last week and a half. A lot of more people are going to be investing into it, but we are also going to see a lot of people selling it and taking out their profits. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using now to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And at the top, we've got the candlestick pattern chart with the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, currently valuing Enjin coin at 30 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 40 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, as usual, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can clearly see the blue and the orange line are both heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the MACD indicator is looking too steep. That means it is not realistic, and the only reason why we're seeing steep lines heading towards the positive direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. I'm expecting it to take a little step back, drop back down in value, as I previously mentioned plenty of times. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, and that is exactly what I'm expecting from Enjin coin. So over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting it to drop down to about the 39 to 40 cents target, somewhere in between there before it pumps back up, heading to about 42 to 43 cents. Later on, towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, here's going to be a mixture of pumps and drops as well, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side, so heading to about 43 cents is what my predictions are towards the end of the day today. Now moving on to the hourly chart, again, exact same situation here, guys. The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the positive direction, meaning it is not realistic. Even though, yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs or anything like that. Just like how it's been over the last 2 weeks, I'm expecting it to go through a slow and steady increase in value, hitting around 50 cents by mid next week is what my expectations are at the moment. So around mid next week, 49 to 50 cents, I'm expecting Enjin coin to be hitting around that target. However, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. but the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So far so good for Enjin coin. Moving on to the daily chart, as you can see guys, it's not looking as steep anymore, meaning it's much more realistic than the previous two charts. And as you can see, we still got the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish. So once again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Enjin coin over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about, let's say, mid-March to late March 2023, we should be seeing Enjin coin hitting about the $1 mark. Again, I'm not saying it's going to hit it, but heading towards that, very close to hitting the $1 mark by mid to late March is what I'm expecting from Enjin coin. Slow and steady increases, we should see Enjin coin trading around the $1 mark by that time. But again guys, we're gonna give it a good 8 to 10 weeks left for it to hit the dollar mark. And again, that's what it's all about. We don't want it to hit the dollar mark anytime soon over the next couple of days or weeks, because that's not really sustainable. Because once it does that, what's gonna happen is it's just gonna straight away drop back down to 40 cents or 50 cents or whatever, meaning it's not going to be sustainable. We want it to go for a slow and steady increase in value. And again, if you guys want regular updates on Enjin coin, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys as much as I can on this crypto. But comment down below how often you guys want these updates. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, even though we are still trading in the red zone, we are getting closer and closer to hitting the green zone, which is hitting $1.31. That's its resistance target here. Now we should be hitting that target by mid-year guys. So if we give it a good 5.5 months, 5.5 months, we should be able to hit the resistance target here, and hopefully in the second half of the year we should be able to trade in the green zone. Of course, this depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crash or a major bull run, it can affect it either in a positive or negative direction. But either way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So these are my takes and my predictions on Enjin coin guys. What I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys expect Enjin coin to hit by the end of the year of 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below guys. $5, as I mentioned in the thumbnail, may be possible depending on how the crypto market performs. But again, we need to focus on the dollar mark first, which I did mention later on. In about 2 months time, we should be able to hit the dollar mark, and hopefully by the end of the year hit about $2 or $2.50 and potentially hit the $5 mark by the beginning of next year. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. If you guys want to, comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So guys, it will mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button, as you know, it doesn't cost you anything. So please guys, do that for me right now, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.